Sally Obeta ni muruto wa mwaka wa mbere thukuru-ini wa Technical University of Kenya. Andikithirio ta muruto thukuru-ini uyu ciumia ithatu hituku, no wakihani ati ihinda-ini riri riothe mathomo matire mambiriria amu kiumia giake kia mbere no rio mihango ya mathomo yambiririe gutharara.
So far tulijoin, but it's been almost 3 weeks and yet hakuna lesson yote tumeattend.
Obeta arokaga thukuru o muthenya ari na mwihoko wa kwambiriria mathomo, indi riu gutire na mwihoko undu uria mwikirite wagagu kuona maya timo mari matanya make.
The lecturers hawakuji classes, so we just idle around at school. Maybe you just hang around with friends and then later onwards you go back home.
Otaguo arutwo agi university nino matigitwo matari na wiki, amwe makihunduka na gucoka micini, irathi igitigwo ciri utheri. Ruth Wamuhu na Raphael Oguk aria ni atongoria arutwo university nino magitariria uria mugomo uyu umacoketie na thutha kimathomo.
So it's painful that you are paying your fee, whether continuing student or first year, then again you don't get services.
We have not had any classes since the semester began. So it has been very difficult for most of us because I don't know how I'm going to cover all that within the few months. And also it is also uncertain whether the strike is going to end or not.
Aya eri ni arutwo a mwaka wa kana thiini wa kothi ngurani makiuga gucerithirio kwa mathomo ni gugatindika ihinda riria mabatie gukorwo makirikia thukuru.
We are supposed to graduate in mid-November. How will that be possible? Yet those who are supposed to even supervise students who are in their final attachment are out there striking.
There's a high chance we're going to start all over again maybe in January if this thing is not sorted out, and I don't think that is going to sit well with a lot of students.
Kwa ihinda riri namba nene ya arutwo ni mambiririe gucoka micii, kuona ona aciari makoretwo na wagagu amu gutire mathomo makoretwo magithie na mbere.
Other parents wanaona maybe it's better if wanafunzi wanaweza rudi nyumbani, watarudi nini wakati the lecturers are back on track na classes zimerudi on.
At the same time, for parents it's also hard because what is my child doing in Nairobi? You know, this is probably the first time for some of the students to be in Nairobi. They do not know the city very well. They have nothing to do literally because they don't even know some of them have timetables, some do not even have timetables, so they do not have anything they're looking forward to.
Arutwo aya ni moritie thirikari gucaria kihonia kia naihenya niguo mathomo macokererie kuona o uria arutwo maraikara matari na wagwika noguo marekuruhania na maundu matagiriire.
Unajua kuna different people wametoka different backgrounds, so like maybe your friend anaweza kuita mwende mahali and then you start drugs and substance stuff abuse.
Ciama cia Arutani na aruti wira wasu na kusu ona kuhanura uguo ihinyiriirie ati mugomo wao no guthie na mbere, makiuga gutire handu magararite watho wa igoti uria urathanire macoke wira muthenya wa ira, kuona maheanite notithi ya kuingira thiini wa mugomo ihinda-ini riria riagiriire. Kwa ihinda ria ciumia ithatu riu gutire mathomo o mothe makoretwo magithie na mbere thukuru-ini uyu, undu uria riu wikirite arutwo wagagu kuona ihinda no rirathie na matiui riria githomo gigacokereria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma thukuru wa University wa THUK, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.